Try to take my lead when I'm pushing the envelope, when I'm trying to get something going. If I see something happen, yesterday we talked about 9/12, 10 after 9. We talked about Cena, Sohu, NTES, SNDA. About 20 minutes afterwards, Sohu broke out to new high to rally about $6 or $7 yesterday. Cena ended up being up about $3. NTES up about $2.50. That's like the biggest opportunity. That's like a gift. When you talk about it beforehand, you're watching it. It shows the community using the words that we're talking about, using it for them. Then somebody in the community called out the action and pointed it out to me, which then I returned and said, oh yeah, I wanted to watch these and I wanted to buy some of them, which I ended up taking advantage of and making almost $1,200 or so on some of those names for the day, maybe a little bit more. Just to close out, adding on about $2,500 to my P&L over the past week, which I've put on between about let's say about $2,500 and $5,000 over the past week every day or more over the past 7 days. So I still continue to watch, this action out there. I do feel like it is time to capitalize a little bit more, to push the envelope a little bit, which is one of the reasons why I've been stepping it up, is I probably have about 3 or 4 losing days over the past 2 months. And so I just, I feel like my timings, I'm sort of like hitting my stride, as we call it. And my timing's starting to get there where I want to push the envelope a little bit more. I did go home long last night, some names that I was watching. To begin with, I bought some OWW, Orbitz Worldwide, on the Priceline news. So I was watching PCLN. I bought some OWW, Orbitz. There's also Expedia. There's TravelZoo. Anybody else want to add any of the other travel names that they're watching? Keep an eye on them. Post on them today. When I say post, it means you can add exact fact of what the stock is doing, of what the name is doing. It's not an area for us to give any opinion in any way on what we think, if we think something's strong or weak or holding or not, or, it's just not what we do. So just post on it. It's a give fact to say that stock's going higher. It's holding well over here. It's got support at this level or that level, and that's really what we look for, the interaction from the community. Also, keep the questions, the comments coming, not only in email form, but also on the broadcast to sort of get that interactivity going, to get yourself comfortable. I know a lot of the members have been stepping it up, and we look for people to continue to do so.